I started my Amazon KDP business in March 2023, and today I've sold over 5,357 paperback copies. Now, this sales is not a huge number, but it's a promising start. And I'm not sharing this to brag about myself. I just want to encourage you to take action now and start today. The more you waste time, the more difficult it becomes for you to join. Have you ever wondered why some content creators on Amazon KDP makes a fortune while others barely even? I've spent years studying, researching, and watching videos to understand how to be successful on Amazon KDP. I'm here to tell you that it can be done. I've found a lot of successful authors that are doing the exact same thing, and I've summarized every step into this video lesson to guide you until you have a successful story, even if you have not written a single book before your life. This is a life testimony from my students who have taken this course and how they are making wave on Amazon.
$501. How much is it? Let me convert it. 698,000 naira. This is what Amazon paid me this month. This is what Amazon is paying me this month. Okay, see the way the money has been. I've been withdrawing it too. This one was for the month of April.
Hi, my name is Victor, and before this time, I have been finding it difficult after school to be financially free. But with this course, fact, I am grateful to God.
We don't just sell you a course. This is a community where you learn, receive latest updates on hot niches and profitable keywords, and receive the support you need to excel. As the title says, this video is a step-by-step guide, and it's designed to take someone who have never ever touched Amazon KDP to a place where they are able to publish their books and start making their first $1,000 on the platform. More specifically, I will show you new ways to complete book research, to join the top ranked books, how to create a book even if you have not written a single book before in your life. I will show you how to sell and market these books to make sure you're making money as soon as possible. Click on the link on any part of this video. Purchase this course at a discounted rate. Without further ado, let's dive straight in.